Here's how you can put pictures in TikTok comments. So the first thing is you have to make sure to use the updated version of the TikTok. Now open up your TikTok and tap on comments. Once you are in your comments, the only way to put the pictures in TikTok comment is by tapping on any comment reply. So simply tap on this and tap on reply with video. Now once you are on this menu, you just have to tap on upload on the bottom and select the picture that you want to go with and tap on next button. Now in order to share it publicly, you have to tap on followers that can view this post and make sure that it is set to followers and tap on post on the bottom. Hit OK, and now you have to simply go to that particular comment again, and there is your reply on the TikTok comment. So hope this helped. This is how you can put pictures in TikTok comments.